I'm Jody with Mosby Building Arts. I'm often asked by homeowners if they can get a ballpark price for their project, and if it's possible to get a cost breakdown between specific parts of the project. The answer is yes. Once we've had a look at your home and see all the factors that go into your project, we'll discuss ballpark price ranges based on other projects we've done similar to yours. Sometimes a bit more research is needed to provide this range. If that's the case, we'll schedule a follow-up discussion to present this information. As far as cost breakdown of the project, our estimating software can pull apart different areas. For example, you may want to see the difference between quartz countertops and granite countertops. Our estimating process is very thorough, and it takes into account many different details to come up with the final price. Rest assured, we'll provide you with a full work scope and show you exactly what you're getting for your investment level. Hopefully this information was helpful. Thanks for watching.